Good morning, everyone. This is Bill from Fox Family Farm here on a beautiful spring morning here in Monmouth, Maine, about the 23rd of March with a big coastal storm coming in. So we had bare ground for a couple weeks probably now, and with mud and starting to drop a little bit. But here we go with a forecast of possibly up to 20 inches of snow coming our way. So I just let you in on that a little bit so you can see what it looks like in a spring storm here in the north. And I'll check in and show you how it goes during the day. But again, thanks for watching, and we'll keep you going here with some more footage during the day today. Just a little quietness of the peaceful sound of snow. And a little bird in the front of us here too. This is about the 2:33 o'clock update here on the storm we're getting. We've got close to 7 inches now, and they say it's going to get heavier snow going into the evening, so you can hear how it is right now. When we start to lose sight of the trees across the field, you know it's coming down hard. It's a little bit diminished now, but it'll probably get even worse. And we'll check in a little bit later and see how it's going there. You can see it's coming down fairly good right now. About 5:30 in the evening now, and I switched over to rain. Even though it's about 30, 31, so it might be getting freezing rain now. And maybe getting heavier into the next hour or so. We'll see if it switches back to snow as it goes down in temperature a little bit more. I think we got maybe 8 inches perhaps before it changed over, and we'll see how it finishes off. Probably not going to get to 23 they're saying about now, but we'll find out throughout the evening. Well, here's a 9 p.m. update. We're getting some heavy precipitation of mixed snow, sleet, freezing rain, I guess. It's 25 degrees and coming down really hard outside right now. Whew, you can see it's going to be a cool night. It's only 25 degrees and coming down pretty hard, but we still only had maybe 8 inches of snow, and now it's just kind of mixed right up. We'll see how it adds up in the morning when we get up, but this is Bill from Fox Farm in the middle of a spring snowstorm, winter storm in the spring. Talk to you again soon. Well, it's Sunday morning now, and the snowstorm has passed us. And you can see what we've got here, kind of an unbroken, beautiful look, but it's stiff, heavy, crusty snow because it finished off with, well, we had probably several hours of freezing rain and then maybe a couple more inches of wet snow. And so we've got our work cut out this morning, getting this cleaned up a little bit so we can at least get this pickup out so I can work tomorrow. And I got a good bit on the roof. On this side of the roof, I'm gonna have to take off. On the back side, the porch levels out more, so I'll have to get that off of there. We don't want that weight on there when it starts to rain, and our spring rain's coming in the next week or so. We will look out back when we get over there, but this is what it looks like here this morning. We figure we got maybe a foot of snow, which is crusty, wet on top of drier stuff. So I'll have to break through and clean it up. But the birds are happy this morning when I hear them. Maybe you can pick it up. Well, we managed to get the gate shoveled out enough to get the cows out this morning, so here they are. Having some more stuff to eat this morning. Got them outside in the nice warm weather we're having at the moment. It's in the 30s. And this is very crusty, difficult snow to walk through.
Going.
Go. I thought it would go.
Yeah, I guess not.
Well, about time we stop videoing, it'll go.
Do you want me to stop?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll keep going.
Maybe we'll get it still.
Maybe.
Already went, but...
Yeah.
I'm gonna hold in this batch.
Makes you wonder.
Well, that's the way it works with a roof. It's out of the way when it's coming down. Thanks, Ben. Woo. Oh my gosh. Oh, not in my shirt. You can hear it. The sheep want to come out too. The ewes are saying, let us out. Let us out. There's somebody peeking through the door gate a little bit. Who is it? Might be Clover, I can't tell. But we'll see if we can get out of here so they are able to come out at some point. Because they do like the sun. We got this roof mostly cleared off. And that one mostly, but I still have to get up there and do that. Everything you see for snow here was just now, because yesterday it was ground. And it may take a while before we get ground back here. But that's how it ended up here. Some folks that I know had 22 or 24 inches of snow out of the storm. And that's a spring in Maine for you. Thanks for watching. This is Bill with Fox Family Farm. Enjoy you folks, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more content of fun farming in the Northeast. And have a great day. Enjoy spring in your area.